basta't lumigaya ka. Lagi mong isipin na ako'y nandito, laging karamay mo, mahal. Lumipas man ang panahon, di pa rin nagbabago ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw pa rin sinita, siyang dalangin ko, sana ay lumigaya ka. Handa akong magparaya kahit na anong sakit, basta't lumigaya ka. Lagi mong isipin na ako'y nandito, laging karamay mo, mahal.
Sabi niya, may traceable to?
Handa akong magparaya kahit na anong sakit, basta't lumigaya ka. Lagi mong isipin na ako'y nandito, laging karamay mo. Handa akong magparaya kahit na anong sakit, basta't lumigaya ka. Lagi mong isipin na ako'y nandito, laging karamay mo,
Jaya, kaya na kayo na.
pag may araw-araw di
Yung ano na lang,
araw uhusay. Pag may kawan, di ba resistensya, mas makakapag-aral ng mahusay. Bear Brand.
Hey, naka-aircon kayo sa taas. Jane, galing.
Dati no, kailangan mo pa ng
Kung ano-ano.
power of pink. Tapos ang setup mo talaga. Oo, dapat mag-effort ka.
May mga jack na sa likod.
Puta, late na lang eh. Kahit nasaan ka, no?
Hindi ganyan din ako. Orange ito yun.
Orange share. Orange share. Hindi, marami daw siya ka-share.
Oh, hindi na ako nakikipag-share.
Sasalo na siya. Kaya pala.
Somebody told me you were leaving, somebody told me you're unhappy, so you stop saying somebody told me that don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door, nobody told me you'd be crying every night. Nobody told me you'd be dying. Didn't want setting you free.
Apple.
Let me be the one to break it up. You don't have to make excuses. We don't need to buy a set up where someone breathes. We just have to say
Diyan magaling si Edward, ano? Sa mga ganyang boses, diyan magaling si Edward, eh.
so tell you I love you one last time. And goodbye. Somebody told me you still love me. Don't know why. Nobody told me that you only did time to die. Somebody told me that you want to come away. Our love is with a kid. We don't want to break it up. Don't have to make excuses. We don't need to buy a set up where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say that we'll still become alive. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this, no. But if you love me still, then stay. But keep me waiting for this final kiss. We can work together through these tests. We can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. Let me be the one to break it up. Don't have to make excuses. We don't need to buy a set up where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say we're strong, we're still become alive. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Let me be the
Si Mark tsaka si Mark. Oh, will be the next.
Sana.
Ha? Sabi na talaga, eh.
Uli ito. Abu Dhabi yan.
Abu Dhabi.
It's not just about the food, it's about the moments made exceptional when experienced with premium beers, like your senses being mesmerized by the aromatic hops of San Miguel Super Dry, or indulging your distinct taste refined by a full-flavored lager that is San Miguel Premium All Malt. Perhaps a refreshing conversation.
Yung dance. Yun, no? Tama si ano ba ang namatay niyan? Sino? Sabi, AIDS kinamatay. Singing niya. Ano na ba? HIV. Wait, tatay niya AIDS? Ha? Right? Tatay niya AIDS?
Rapal, hindi.
Ano business niyan? Carnaval.
last mo na yan. Sa atin ay
Anong business?
Wala, last na raw.
kung nagtatanong ka, kailan ba
Business
ganyan?
na naman. Carnaval.
Iginagawa ko ay pagbigyan.
Kasi tinanong mo.
Ganyan.
AIDS.
Kaya pag-ibig mo dahil tanging ikaw naman, hindi ang gusto ko. isa'y mayroong pagkakaroon. Bakit hindi pa yan muli ang ating pagmamahalan? Kung mawawala ay masaya naman, lumipas na dito na makailan. At kung nagkali sa'yo, at tama na sa mundo, tayo na tumigil ang pag-ibig. Muli ka na ako. Kailangan ko patuloy na pag-ibig mo. Ikaw lang bibig ng puso ko. Ayaw pa maging gano'n lang. Pag-is na isa'y mayroong pagkakaroon. Bakit hindi ka maging kaliman? Kung mawawala ay masaya naman, lumipas na dito makailan. At kung nagkali sa'yo, tawa na at sa mundo, tayo na nagiging ang pag-ibig. Muli ka na ako.
Hindi ako nagsisensya. Kasi wala akong dapat isyan eh.
Ama, request mo.
Ah, siya.
Ano sa'yo?
Oh, sir.
Alam ko, paborito na ba yung ano eh, Blue Bayou.
Hello, my friend. Para sa'yo, alam mo na. Sino ka?
Salamat ka kayo.
Ako din, gusto ko to. Gusto ko to eh. Si Mars? Ayaw mo si Mars?
Gusto mo si Mark?
Ayaw ni Mars.
It was yours and mine to hold and cherish
Bakit yung memories?
and to feel